After returning from work, Alex finds a mouse in his room. The mouse seemed to be suffering. So Alex decides to help him. Unfortunately, after less than half an hour, the rodent exhales its last breath. Alex, sorry for what happened, while she's cleaning the room, she finds a very small mouse hidden under the covers.
You're such a good girl.
She was the daughter. The little animal still had its eyes closed. It had neither ears nor teeth. The mother, shortly before dying, with little strength left, was looking for a shelter and food for her little girl. Alex does not want her to die too.
Snack.
She documents herself on the web and lovingly takes care of her. After a few weeks, the worst seems to be over. The little mouse now has a name, Greta. She has grown up and is starting to take her first steps independently.
Nailed it.
His favorite hobby is playing among cartoons and scraps of paper in his shelter, specially built by the human mother. After a month, for Greta, it was time to meet a little brother. And the meeting goes well. Greta and her little brother get along.
Are you escaping?
They happily play and grow together.
You're a fireman!
Please subscribe to support us and click the bell icon to get new video updates.